Hi, I just bought a new AC online and I'm here to tell you all about it. Presenting LG's AI dual inverter split AC, which has a streamlined design that will surely catch your attention. Available to you in 3 capacities with 3 and 5-star energy saving ratings. When you purchase LG air conditioners, you get 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, interconnecting pipe, 1 remote, 2 manuals with warranty card and 2 batteries. LG's dual inverter air conditioners with variable tonnage technology are now smarter with the addition of artificial intelligence. The AI dual inverter predicts not only the appropriate cooling capacity but also senses room conditions and cools accordingly. With AI Convertible 6-in-1, you get the flexibility to increase or decrease cooling capacity as per your requirement with its AI convertible mode and inbuilt sensors. Its special ocean black protection applied on the copper tubes in both the indoor and outdoor units provides exceptional durability. The ocean black fins offer unbeatable protection against fin corrosion for longer product life. LG's AC comes with ADC safety sensors which makes them highly durable, safe and ensures stable performance. It has an easy to clean HD filter that removes harmful substances such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites and particles as small as 10 micrometers in size. Now see the display only when you want to with LG's Magic Display. Once the desired temperature is selected, it quietly dims, adding to the unit's aesthetics. The horizontal and vertical swing action ensures better airflow while giving uniform cooling. When selecting the Comfort Air option, it conveniently sets the AC lure to a 70-degree or 20-degree position so that outflowing air is directed away from the room occupants. LG AI Dual Inverter AC comes with a 1-year warranty on the product, 5 years warranty on PCB and 10 years warranty on the compressor with gas charging. You can buy this product on Amazon and bring home a fantastic cooling experience.